Fine with me. Okay.
Guys, pada setuju nggak guys? Setiap Sabtu. Soalnya we need this, right?
What time?
9, I think,
Well,
Shan.
up to you. It's
Please
just
not
between.
at morning. I
Yeah,
cannot.
don't at morning. I cannot wake Saturday.
Just after
Okay, guys.
the
Hi, Fiona.
Uh,
fellowship,
uh,
sir. After
can
the
you, uh,
fellowship.
Kezia? Okay, Kezia. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Can I ask you to just coordinate your friends? Okay. So
Okay.
friends, okay, you have Kezia as your representative. Okay, you can talk between yourself. Okay, find sometimes, and then Kezia can report it to me. Okay, fine with me. Okay, so
Okay.
let's go back here. Sorry, yeah, I already start recording now. Okay, so let's share the screen. Okay, the next question is the acceleration. Here, part C, the acceleration. Now, we have the formula for velocity. Next, we are going to find the formula for acceleration. Okay. Which is, we are going to differentiate one more time, okay, the velocity formula here. So acceleration is differentiate this. Who's the last one here? Is it Jenna? Okay, Kezia then. Kezia, please differentiate this. What is the differentiation of 3t squared? Differentiation of t cubed become 3t squared. Differentiation of 3t squared becomes 6t. Differentiation of negative 10t become negative 10 only. So if you have 3t squared, what is the differentiation then? Hello?
60.
6t. Okay, good. What is about the 6t? Differentiation of 6t?
6.
6. Differentiation of negative 10?
Zero.
0. Yes, 0, and we don't usually write them. Now, this is the formula for acceleration. It's still containing t for time. So the next step, we just need to put the time there. Patricia, put A when t equals 2. Okay, the vertical line here read this when. Okay. When t equals 2. Means you're going to put the 2 on the formula.
So like 6 multiplied by 2.
Okay, and then?
6.
Yes.
Then the result is 18.
18. Okay. That's it. Any question?
Sir. I want to ask, is there like, if we differentiate acceleration again, what will we get?
The number doesn't have any physical physical meaning yet.
Okay.
So far, we only have acceleration. That's the last one that has meaning. Okay, any question? No. Now, I'm going to change this question a bit. Okay, and I'd like you to try this. Okay. Any question about this? No. I'm going to change the question a bit, yeah. Now I'm going to have this. Now I change the formula for x. Formula for x is now t minus 4, and t plus 3. When t equals 1, okay, that is t, sorry, the glare. T equals 1, what is x, what is v, and what is a? What is the displacement, what is velocity, and what's acceleration. Okay. Shannon, give me the first one. What is the position? What is the displacement?
Displacement.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, thinking.
When you have the displacement, you already have the formula, right? There's already the formula. So what you do is you just need to put 1 for every t you have.
Oh. Oh. I thought another formula. Okay. So 1 open bracket 1 minus 4.
Okay.
Close open bracket 1 plus 3.
Okay, and that's it. What's the value?
Negative 3 times 4 negative 12.
Negative 12. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
That's going to be negative 12. Okay. Now, it is easy to find this because you already have the formula. Okay. For V here, we don't have the formula yet. So we must make the formula. How to make the formula for X? So for V, first we need to find the formula of X, but in polynomial form. Multiply this first. Okay. Sharon, let's multiply this X here. Find X by multiplying all of this.
Wait.
So leave the t here. Let's multiply t minus 4 and t plus 3.
Oh, okay. T times t square.
T square. And then?
T square plus 3t.
Okay. Plus 3t.
Then minus 4t.
Okay.
Then minus 12.
Minus 12. Okay, that is t times. Let's put this together.
T square minus 1t.
Okay.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. And then you multiply t with everything inside this.
Yes. T cube.
And then this times this?
T square minus
Minus
t
t
square.
Okay.
Minus 12t.
Okay, good. So that is, it's going to be t cubed minus t squared minus 12t. This is the value for x. Now I want to find the differentiation of it. Okay, Brandon, differentiate this.
Differentiate that one. Okay, wait. It becomes 3t square minus 2t.
3t squared minus 2t
minus 12.
Minus 12. Okay. Now, while we are making this, rather than substituting the value, I'd like to find the formula for acceleration. Okay, Caroline, find me the formula for acceleration.
60 minus 2.
Minus 2. What about the minus 12?
0.
Becomes 0. Okay, good. Now, okay, I'm going to erase this, yeah? Now we can answer this when t equals 1. So what is the v when t equals 1? We're going to substitute the 1 for this value here. Okay. Who's next? Fiona, right? Previous is Caroline, right? So next is Fiona. Fiona, if this is the number here, find the value when t equals 1.
3 times 1
Mhm.
square
Okay.
negative minus 2
Mhm.
minus 12.
Okay.
3 square minus 2 minus 12.
Mhm. Okay. What's the value then?
Negative 5.
Negative 5? No.
Eh,
Okay, what is 3 times 1 square?
3
Yeah, 3 times 1 square. What
times
is
1,
3 times
3.
1 square? 3,
3
okay.
times 1 square.
Okay, minus 2 minus 12. Okay. What is 3 minus 2? We're going to do it from the front. What is 3 minus 2?
Negative 11.
Okay. Yeah, that's going to be minus 11. Okay. Last one. Okay, thank you. Any question here, Fiona?
No, just now
Oh,
I got confused, so I write everything on my calculator.
Okay, next, Jane. What is the acceleration when t equals 1? Jane, are you there?
Yeah.
What is the acceleration when t equals 1? You can write them on your exam like this. A when t equals 1. It's going to make you look smart for somebody who's seeing it. But write t equals 1 as subscript, lower than the normal line. Hello?
Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I've been waiting for you.
Oh wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. What takes you so
6.
long? Mm-hmm.
I'm finding 6 times 1 minus
Mm-hmm.
2
Okay.
equals 4.
Equals 4. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the question. Okay, so that's it for today. Are you going to go for the bonus question too? Guys, you going to for the
No.
bonus question too?
No.
No? No, just this? Okay. Okay, nobody wants to go to the bonus question?
Bonus question, sir. Yeah, bonus question, bola, sir. I thought it was like another. I thought it was another form of this one, but then yeah, bonus question. Sorry. Yeah, why not? Let's go. Bonus question.
Okay. Okay, the bonus question. A particle is moving with
Wait, sir.
distance.
Sir,
Yes.
you missed something. Question 5.
What?
Given v equals. It's
Oh,
okay.
okay. Sorry. Okay. Question number 5. Okay. Okay. Now it is the same question here, but we are using a different symbol. If v is 12 square root of t, when t equals 4, what is acceleration? When v is 12 square root of t and t is 4, what is acceleration? In this case, we will need to change the square root t into the form of t power something. Jenna, what is the square root t in the form of t power something? Jenna, are you there?
Yes.
The square root of t. If I put them on t power something, what is the power then?
1/2.
1/2. Very good. Okay. Now, Kezia, if this is the value for v, what is acceleration? What is the formula for acceleration then? Remember, this is in the form of kx power n, right? And the differentiation is kn x power n minus 1. So apply this formula, Kezia. What is k in this case?
6.
No, k is 12.
12.
What is n then?
T.
No, t is in replacing x as the variable that numbers who's going to change. So t here is on the t is replacing the position of x in this case. Yeah, you have kt power n. Yeah, sorry, k n t n minus 1. Yeah, my bad. So what is n in this case? This is kt power n. So what is value of n then?
1/2.
1/2. So if this is the original value and we want to differentiate this, we're going to put the formula k times n times t power n minus 1. So if we know here k and n, it's going to be 12 times half times t power half minus 1. So what is 12 times half?
6.
6.
60.
T power of
Negative 1/2.
negative 1/2. Okay. Okay, next, Patricia. Now we know it is to be calculated when t equals 4, right? So A when t equals 4 is, Patricia,
that
what is it now?
actually it's supposed to be 6. Yes, because it's been
6
times by
times
half.
times 4 to the power of?
The power of minus half.
Okay. Now in this case, just put on your calculator, let them do the thinking. What is 4 to the power of negative half? In the calculator, okay, you're going to have 6 times 4 to the power of minus half.
Wait for a while, sir.
Yes?
Wait for a while.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
It's 3.
It's 3, yes. Yeah. Anybody? Please check, can you program your calculator to calculate this? You should be able to find the value of 3. If you don't, then show me your calculator. We're going to be able to show. We're going to learn how to do it. An example, mine. Okay. In mine here, I'm going to use the computation here. That's going to be 3 times 4. In my case, it's this one here, to the power of. And then I put them negative, 0.5. Instead of half, I write them 0.5. Ta-da! Okay. That's the answer. Oh, that's not 3, sorry. That's going to be 6. Okay, and the answer is simply that. See, 3, that's the answer. Okay. Check that all of you can put the formula into your calculator. If you can't have them or your answer is not 3, let me know so we can see how we use the calculator. Okay, that's it for question number 5. I think this is one of the shortest. Done? Can I erase this?
Sure.
Yes. What's up?
Sure, sir. Sure, you can erase.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the bonus question now. Okay. A particle is moving with displacement x is 2t cubed minus 3t squared minus 63 plus 7. They're asking what is the acceleration when particle is not moving. What is meant by particle not moving? Particle is not moving when their velocity is 0. Right? When the velocity is 0, means particle is not moving. Okay, so here it is. This is what we want. X is 3 cubed minus 3t squared minus 63 plus 7. They're asking what is A when V is 0. Okay, so Shannon, okay, your first task will be find me the formula for V.
Oh,
Hello.
sorry, just now the sound audio got cut. What's the question?
The
Final?
question is, okay, in this case, you are given that X is 3 cubed minus 3t squared. We want to find the acceleration when velocity is 0. Particle not moving means velocity 0. So to do that, first we need to find out what is formula for velocity. So give me formula for velocity. You have this x here, differentiate that.
Six.
Okay, this is the form of 6. Okay, 6 what?
6.
66. Yeah, okay.
60 squared.
Yes, correct. 60 square. Okay, and then? What about the minus 3t square?
Negative 60.
Okay, to the power of?
Negative 60.
Yeah, to the power of what?
Oh, square.
What's the power here?
1.
Power 1. Okay, but we don't usually write if it's power 1. What about the minus 60t?
Become minus 60.
Minus 60. Okay. And what about the plus 7?
Gone.
Gone. Okay. Okay, now this is going to be 0. Okay. Because this V is 0, right? So this value is going to be 0. Okay. Sharon, find me what is T then.
Yes. Okay. Wait. 60 60 move to the other side. So
No, in this case, I want you to use, you can try to simplify this, which if you simplify things by dividing with 6, you have t squared minus t minus 10 equals to 0, right?
okay, okay. Divide by 6, yeah.
And then find the value of t here. We try to simplify by dividing with some number. So what is the value of t? The value of t here, well, actually, this is some, I make some typo here. This is supposed to be 6, so it's going to be 12t and it's going to be 2t, okay, to make them factorizable. But at least I think I make some typo here. Because it's not factorizable, it is time for you to use your calculator. I believe in the calculator now, you should be able to use the persamaan, right? The equality. Okay, which is in this case, that's going to be mode 5. I'm using calculator with Bahasa Indonesia, so it is PRSMN. In your calculator, it might use English, and you're going to see EQN for equation. Can we use number 5 here? And in that case, the question I have here is in the third type. It is quadratic. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So I'm punching 3 here. After that, I need to find the value of a. A is the value in front of x squared. In this case, if you don't say anything, it's because it is 1. Put that 1. And then put enter. And then b is the number in front of t. You just see minus here. Minus means minus 1. So I'm going to put them here as negative 1. Not minus 1 here, but the negative 1 here. Negative 1, put equality. So that is inputted. And c is the number without any t. So it's going to be negative 10. Now, if I put them here, check again that you have a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is 10. And if you print this again, you'll get the answer. If you have x number 1, or in this case, t number 1, okay, if you have the form of this, use the one that's going to make them into decimal. Okay, exact to decimal, write this, and you have them here, 3.7015. 3.70 is okay. Okay, or if you want to keep it here, you count them here. That is 1 plus square root 41 over 2. Now, if you put x number 2, you have the answer 1 minus negative 41 over 2. 1 minus square root of 41 over 2. But if you put them on decimal, you put them is going to be negative 2.70. Okay, so here is your answer here. Because time can never be negative, we are going to use this value. Okay, we're going to use this value, okay, later on. But now, what we have is formula for V. So V is 60 squared minus 60, 60 equals to 0. What is formula for A then? Who's that? Is it Sharon or Brandon now? Is the last time Shannon, right?
Yeah, Sharon. So Sharon now.
Sure, Sharon. Okay. You have the formula for V. Now give me the formula for A.
Oh. Hmm.
60 squared. If you differentiate them, what do you get?
T.
Can you go? Can you say it louder?
T. 60.
No. 6 times t, 60 squared means you're going to multiply 6 with 2. So it's going to be 12. 12t. Okay. What about negative 6t?
Still 60.
No. in differentiation here, because this is just one number, it's just that's -6.
Oh, okay, okay.
What about -60? What is the differentiation?
0.
0.
Yeah.
Now this is the value of A. This still contain T. Now when V equals 0, means from this we can find out the T, the time. In the time here, you just put the number there. So A, when V equals 0, means A when T equals 3.7 T. And then put the number there. You can use this or that. If you are using this, that will be an exact value. So use equal. But if you're using this, that's going to be approximate value. So use tilde. Close to, but not exactly it. This is the exact value. This is the approximate value. So if you are using 3.71, use approximately. That's supposed to be approximately. But if you are using the 1 plus 41 over 2, then you can use equality. A V equals 0 equal A when T is 1 plus square root 41 over 2. And just put the number there into the formula. You don't have any question, you don't have any difficulty, I believe, in order to get the number.
Sir, is the answer 15.59 approx?
Well, the number should be, okay, it's going to be 12 bracket, okay, 1 plus square root 41 over 2 minus 6. Okay. So that is going to be 6 here. And this with that cancel out, so the answer is square root of 41. Square root of 41, yeah, that's 6 point something. Square root of 41.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. All of them.
Yeah, it's only 1 more minute.
Okay. Any question for this? All of this? Do you want me to make it private or public?
Public, sir, public, so we can access it anytime.
Okay. You can also access it when I have private, but you need to
Yeah,
look
following
up.
and it's tiring
Okay.
to scroll up,
Okay.
sir.
That will be it then. Any other questions for all the tasks I have given here?
No.
No.
No. Okay. Okay, it's almost time then. Goodbye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Hi. Yes.